These foolish people ask us, before we start a conversation, they say, do you condemn Hamas? Do you condemn what happened on the 7th of October? This is the first question they ask us. Now, the question that I would like to ask, how dare you question my humanity? Do you ever meet somebody that you don't know, and the first question that you ask them, oh, by the way, do you support the killing of innocent babies and children? Do you ask that question? Or do you think good of people? Do you assume, of course, somebody's not going to support the killing of innocent babies or innocent children? Because that would make you a maniac. That you would make you a psychopath. So why do they feel they can ask us this question? Why do we have to qualify our humanity when we don't support Hamas militarily, financially, with our words, or with any statements, but yet we have to qualify our humanity?